Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Depop, Poshmark. And today's video, I'm going back to one of my favorite places to go sourcing at, which are live auctions. I have a few videos that I did way back in 2020. They were some of my very first videos. I'm going to link them above, and I go more into depth about what these auctions are. But here I am. I went to the preview, which is hosted in a warehouse, and at this particular auction there was a lot of Marilyn Monroe memorabilia and a lot of different items. So here I'm going to show you just a few of the lots that were available. These lots are open to the public. Again, I did a video a few years back, and I'm going to link that video up above and in the description down below. But basically, yes, they're open to the public. You don't need like a seller's permit, but if you do have one, you can avoid paying tax. And additionally, there is a 15% buyer's premium on top of the winning bid. These used to be live auctions. It would be a one-day event, and there was a live auctioneer, so people would actually get into bidding wars live at the event. You would have to hold up your paddle to get your bid in. But ever since COVID, they moved to online, so you actually can go in a week before the auction. You make an appointment and you can preview the items, and then you have to go online and bid, and then if you win, you have to go drive back to the warehouse and pick up your items. So they did have a few vintage clothing lots, and they actually had designer pieces. They had like Halston and Christian Dior and Pucci, but they went up pretty high and I got outbid. And when you bid online, you actually have to submit payment and a deposit, so all bids are final. And here is what I won. I actually won two lots. One was for 4-piece accessories and one was for 6 boxes of accessories. So I basically purchased a 10-box mystery lot, and I'm gonna go through this and show you. I'm gonna make it a series. We're gonna go through the first 4 boxes and a new box each week. So this is the first half that I'm gonna go through, and hopefully we find stuff that makes us back our $97 we invested. So one lot was for 4 boxes of accessories, which was mostly hats. That auction cost me $35, and then the rest was for 6 boxes of accessories. So in the 6 boxes of accessories, it's mostly like makeup and then these purses, and that auction cost me $50. I did pay a 15% premium. It was the buyer's premium. That's for any auction, so my total came out to $97.75. So let's hopefully go through it and see what profitable items we find. Off the bat, these 2 Hello Kitty bags are probably gonna make me back most of my money. I've sold this purse before in black, so we'll see how much it gets us. It's a LiQWYD purse with Hello Kitty. I mean, it has a tag. It looks authentic. This little Hello Kitty kids travel case. Oh, sorry, I don't have my stand, so I'm just trying to do it with one hand. Hold on. Okay, so I opened it, and it does look like an authentic Hello Kitty Sanrio item. It has the tag, so that should be a good sell. I mean, it's in good condition. So these 2 bags should hopefully make me back my $97. And then I did not realize there was so much used makeup in this lot. I don't know if I'll be able to even sell that. So I am going to put together a junk box, or stuff that I'm just going to take over to the thrift store, and they can either sell it or throw it out on my behalf. Okay, so this is everything from the first 4 boxes of the lot. So we have these 2 Hello Kitty bags. They are official. This one's a suitcase. This one is a LiQWYD bag. Gonna sell those. This I'm gonna keep for my personal makeup. It's just an Estee Lauder like free with gift purchase. I was gonna sell it, but it has a scratch right here and I don't really think it's valuable and I could use it, so I'm gonna keep that. I found this Von Dutch hat, so this is for sale. And then these 2 bags are all hats, and it's nothing crazy, but like this is vintage the Gap, well Gap, so it's probably like early Y2K bucket hats in here. Like these really cool berets, these are like brand new. There's a couple of those, more berets, more bucket hats. So I mean, probably list them for like 20 bucks each, happy with $10. So these 2 entire tote bags are filled with hats, and like some of them are just like newsboy caps, things like that. So those were good. And like I said, I found this Von Dutch one in there, so some will be more valuable than others. There's this stuff that I'm not sure, I didn't want to throw it out, but like I don't know, I might be able to make a couple bucks if I sell these as craft lots. This is like from Urban Outfitters. It's a little hen. And then other things that I'm gonna keep, like I'm gonna keep these rollers because I like to roll my hair sometimes, so those are for me. Most of the makeup I threw out because I can't sell it, it's like from the 90s, but I did keep these for personal use. These are brand new, they're sealed, and they're just makeup removers, so I'll have to Google search if they're safe to use, but I'll use them on myself. And then a bunch of these little tweezers. I'm gonna sell these in a lot. These makeup bags, I'll probably do like, I don't know, like a $10 lot or something, or maybe lot everything together, you know. And then these are just little kissing fish. I think it's a salt and pepper shaker, so 10 bucks. And this is like a mustard dispenser. It's so cute, so list that. And that's it. So that's everything from the first 4 boxes of the lot. So just if I saw like this little lot right here, the Von Dutch hat, Hello Kitty bags, I'm probably making back my money just in these 3. So everything else that I list is just going to be profit. So again, this is the first 4 boxes. I have 6 more boxes of junk to look through, and hopefully we find stuff we can make money on. I forgot to film an outro, but come back next Monday for part 2 of this series. Thanks for watching.